English subject. English is an important subject in school. It is the language of many countries. Learning English helps us communicate with people around the world. In my school, we study English every week. I enjoy learning this language very much. First, English helps us read and write better. In English class, we read many different texts. We read stories, poems, and articles. Each type of reading teaches us something new. I love reading stories the most. They take me to different worlds. I can meet new characters and go on adventures. My favorite book is Harry Potter. It is full of magic and excitement. Reading helps improve my vocabulary too. I learn new words and how to use them. Writing is another important part of learning English. In class, we write essays, stories, and letters. Writing helps us express our thoughts. My teacher gives us prompts to write about. Sometimes I write about my favorite hobbies or my family. Other times, I write stories from my imagination. It is fun to create new characters and plots. My teacher helps us improve our writing skills. She checks our work and gives us feedback. This helps me become a better writer. Grammar is also a big part of English. Grammar is the set of rules that helps us use the language correctly. In class, we learn about nouns, verbs, adjectives, and more. Understanding grammar helps us form sentences properly. My teacher explains the rules clearly. Sometimes we play games to practice grammar. These games make learning fun. I find it interesting to learn how sentences are built. It helps me understand how to express myself better. Speaking is another important skill in English. In class, we practice speaking with each other. My teacher encourages us to talk and share our opinions. We have discussions about various topics. Sometimes we work in pairs or small groups. Speaking helps us become more confident. I enjoy sharing my ideas with my classmates. It feels good to express myself in English. Listening is also a key part of learning English. In class, we listen to stories and audio clips. My teacher reads stories aloud. We also listen to songs in English. Listening helps improve our understanding of the language. It allows us to hear pronunciation and intonation. Sometimes we have listening exercises. We answer questions based on what we hear. This helps us become better listeners and improves our comprehension skills. English is not just about learning the language. It is also about understanding culture. We learn about different cultures through reading and discussions. English is spoken in many countries. Each country has its unique culture. Learning about these cultures makes me appreciate diversity. It opens my mind to new ideas and perspectives. I enjoy learning about traditions, holidays, and customs from around the world. In addition to reading, writing, speaking, and listening, we also use technology in English class. We often use computers and tablets. We research topics online and find information for our projects. Technology makes learning more engaging. It allows us to access a lot of resources. We can watch videos and participate in online discussions. This makes English learning more interactive and fun. My English teacher plays a big role in my learning. She is passionate about the subject. She makes every lesson interesting. She uses different methods to teach us. Sometimes she uses games, videos, or group activities. This keeps us engaged and excited about learning. Her enthusiasm for English inspires me to do my best. She always encourages us to ask questions. This creates a positive learning environment. English also helps us connect with others. Many people around the world speak English. It is a common language. Knowing English allows us to communicate with people from different countries. We can make friends from all over the world. I have made friends online who speak English. We share our interests and learn from each other. It is wonderful to connect with others through language. I also enjoy watching movies and TV shows in English. This helps me improve my listening skills. I can hear how native speakers pronounce words. I learn new expressions and phrases. Sometimes I watch with subtitles. This helps me understand better. Watching movies in English makes learning enjoyable. I love the stories and characters in these films. English is a valuable skill for the future. It opens many doors. Many jobs require English language skills. Being proficient in English can help us in our careers. It is essential in today's globalized world. I want to improve my English to have more opportunities in the future. In conclusion, learning English is important and enjoyable. It helps us read, write, speak, and listen effectively. English opens our minds to different cultures. My teacher makes learning fun and engaging. I appreciate the skills I am gaining through this subject. I look forward to continuing my journey in learning English. It is a language that connects us all.